It's the Music Theory Corner. It's learning about modes. Here we go. Shalom and welcome to Joshua Pearsall's Music Theory Corner. Today we'll be introducing modes. A mode is a musical scale with unique melodic traits. There are 7 different types of modes, and they're based off of the keys of the C scale. Just in case you don't remember the C scale, here it is. The first mode is called Ionian, which is based off of the natural white notes on the C. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. That's your normal major scale, as we have talked about previously, and it's just the regular major scale. So the next step up, based off of the D, is called Dorian. D for Dorian. It's pretty simple to remember. It sounds like this. The thing to note about the Dorian mode is the lowered 7th and the raised 6th, which kind of stands it out from the normal natural minor scale. Next, we have the Phrygian scale, which is based off of E. What's unique about the Phrygian scale as compared to the minor scale is that there is a lowered 2, which gives it that nice crunchy kind of sound near the beginning. Next, we have the Lydian scale, which is based off of F. What's to note about the Lydian scale is the raised 4th, which gives it a really nice, ethereal, beautiful pad sound if you play it. Next above that, we have the Mixolydian scale, which is based off of G. The Mixolydian scale is basically the major scale, but with a lowered 7th. Above that, next we have the Aeolian scale, which is our natural minor scale. That's based off of A, of course, as we've talked about in previous videos. And next, probably the least used and least understood, is the Locrian scale, based off of the B. What's to note about that one is that it's crazy and not very used. However, if used properly, it can actually sound pretty cool. I've heard pieces before that really use it well. To note about the Locrian scale is a lowered 2nd and the lowered 5th, which obviously gives it that diminished type feeling. So these modes are based off of the C scale and the C scale notes, of the natural white notes. However, you can put any of these modes into a different key. Say, for example, you want to play D Phrygian. To play that, you have to lower the 2nd and the 6th, because to play the Phrygian scale, you need to have a lowered 6th, 7th, and 2nd. And if you play D, just the white notes on D, it has a raised 2nd and a raised 6th. So you need to lower both of those so it would fit the Phrygian mode. Say you wanted to play E flat Lydian. You would have to raise the 4th, of course, because E flat major by itself doesn't have that raised 4th. So it would sound like this. This has been an introduction on modes. Next time we'll get into more examples and how they're used a little bit better, but for now it's just a simple explanation. Thank you all for watching Music Theory Corner. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and here's a cute little picture of a deer.